Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for tuning in, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my braid outs. Okay guys, let's just get started. I am working with freshly washed detangled hair, and now I'm taking some olive oil and grapeseed oil and I'm just going to rub this all over my hair. And now I'm taking my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, my all-time fave. I'm taking a good amount of this and just smoothing it and rubbing it all over my hair. And I'm also going to be taking the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut leave-in. I'm just going to be applying that all over my hair. And I'm also taking the Main Choice Daily Moisturizer leave-in. Yes, I am using 3 leave-ins, but I do this because I feel like my results have just come out a lot better when my hair is overly saturated with product. I'm just working that in. And now I'm about to take some raw shea butter and just rub that over my hair. This just kind of helps seal in those leave-ins, and also it makes my hair really soft. Okay, to start, I'm going to take a section in the front. Like I said, my hair has already been detangled. And now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor oil and flaxseed. Taking a good amount of that. I'm going to be working this in that section. Okay, now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb, and now I'm about to make a section for the braid. And I'm going to be doing medium-sized braids. Well, I guess you can call them medium-sized. You're going to see the size of them. I'm not going to do too many of them, but they're going to be decent sized braids. But anyways, I'm just sectioning my hair off into those 3 parts, and now I'm braiding. And I just do a simple regular old braid, plait, whatever you want to call it. And when I get to the ends, I like to just take my finger and just twirl the ends, because the ends are just too, I guess, blunt for me to actually braid all the way down. But doing this also gives it a really cute curl when it's all done. Okay, so now I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other piece, breaking it up into those 3 sections, you know, just doing a simple braid, plait, whatever. Smoothing it out, and now I'm just twirling it around my fingers. Now I'm just taking another section, doing the same exact thing. And don't worry guys, I will speed this up because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me braid my whole entire head. But okay, I'm just taking some more gel, rubbing that in. And now I'm about to begin to braid. And these braids aren't really tight. They really don't need to be. Smoothing those ends, twirling around my finger. Alright guys, this is just a close-up, a more, I guess, detailed view of what I'm doing. It's kind of simple, but I know some of y'all like to be real up close and personal. Get to them ends, twirl it around my finger. And of course, don't worry about that white residue, it will dry. Like I said, I just feel like when I add a lot of product to my hair, it just comes out better. I feel like it just really helps out with the frizz. And then also when I do that, I don't really have to moisturize my hair as many times throughout the week if I didn't do this. Okay guys, I fast forwarded. Now I'm in the back of my head. And I'm just doing the same exact thing that I did in the front. Okay guys, this is when it's all done. I want to say maybe I have about 20 braids. And y'all, the back of my head is looking crusty. But I think we all know how that go because you cannot see back there. So don't look too hard at that. Okay guys, this is the next morning. As you guys can see, that white residue went away. Now I'm just taking some oil and I'm about to just rub this all over my hair just to help prevent frizz. And as you guys can see, those braids did shrink up. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take that first braid apart. And the way I take my braids down is I kind of just take the pieces and pull them until the braid comes apart on its own. I'm just gonna show you guys again right here. Just pull it. Doing the same exact thing to this one. And I'm not going to separate until the very, very end. Okay guys, I fast forwarded. I am all done taking the braids down. I'm just taking a little bit more of my oil, and now I'm going to begin to separate them. Now when I separate them, I just take them apart slightly. I don't like to separate them too much or it's going to create frizz, but I'm separating and I'm taking the ends and I'm just twirling it around my finger to kind of just keep, I guess, the ends together, keep the curls together really. As you guys can just kind of see what I'm doing here. And also, you don't want to force them to separate. You kind of just want to pull them apart where they naturally separate, if that makes sense. Okay guys, I have fast forwarded. I'm all done separating. Now I'm just taking my pick and just picking out those parts, and also adding a bunch of volume to it because I like my hair big. Okay, and I went and added my side part. I know I like my side part. I'm just fluffing it out some more, picking it out some more, really making sure I hide those parts, give it a little shake. And you just want to play with it, especially the back since you really can't see back there. Okay guys, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys decide to try it, let me know how it goes. Just comment down below and tell me guys how it went. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.